We have a nice partnership in the pipeline for GFL, or not even in the pipeline. I think it's actually here. So Ramp. For those who are not familiar with Ramp, Ramp is a payment form or a payment option or distributor. I can't think of the words exactly, but they are basically people that handle crypto purchases. They are great. They are amazing. I love Ramp. I don't I don't know how to describe Ramp because they're so good, but I just appreciate everything they do because I use them. And they have officially partnered with GFAL Official, the Web3 gaming studio focused on making play and earned gaming a reality. The Web3 gaming scene is getting harder with each passing day, and we're excited to onboard more gamers. So I like it. I like it a lot. So, and not only is Ramp excited about this, but so is GFL. It's going to make it effortless for traditional players to step into the next generation of gaming. No crypto knowledge is needed. Seamless gaming meets seamless transactions and explore the ease of purchasing GFAL and the marketplace beta. And then we're going to look for more details. I'm really just trying to get to the article for this. They had it right there. And when we get into the details of the article, they just talk about the opportunities that are there. Who is Ramp and what are they known for? A financial tech company building payment rails connecting crypto to the global financial system. And it announced today, as recording this video, that it will be partnering with GFAL. And when we listen to what the chief commercial officer at Ramp said, he said that we are excited about partnering with GFAL, marking a new era in gaming and crypto integration. This collaboration simplifies crypto access for gamers, merging traditional gaming with play-to-earn blockchain world. With our on and off-ramp solutions, gamers can now effortlessly purchase GFAL tokens and other cryptocurrencies within the game. This partnership represents our commitment to innovation and a more inclusive financial future. We're thrilled to lead the way in redefining gaming experiences. The integration with GFAL will enable Ramp to bolster its presence in a rapidly growing blockchain gaming industry, which is, I want to add something to context because I don't think they will do it in this article right here. But when you think about it, Ramp is not the biggest, right? What usually is the biggest is MoonPay, Mercury Co. I think is another name, or it's the actual name, not Mercury Co. And then it's Ramp. So Ramp is really trying to. It's a big battle. If you need an analogy to make sense for why Ramp makes the moves that it makes and how this move ended up helping GFAL in the process, is look at MasterCard and Visa. Excuse me. Look at MasterCard, Visa, Discover, all those. They're looking to have everybody utilizing them, basically. PayPal. They're all looking to be the central source of all transactions, basically. And they'll go about any means to do so. Ramp is also expanding with this move. Ramp will enable GFAL to offer users the direct purchase of GFAL tokens directly within the marketplace, with more tokens available soon and a few simple clicks using fiat currencies and payment methods such as credit card and debit cards, bank transfers, Apple Pay and Google Pay, Pix, and more. In this way, it's paving the way for thousands of new gamers to enter and explore GFAL's expanding ecosystem of blockchain games, because as we know, GFAL doesn't only have one game where it has Elemental Raiders. They also have many more games coming down in the pipeline, and they're really, really, really looking to make a name for themselves. They were founded by a seasoned industry experts, including the former vice president of Activision Blizzard, Manel Sort, and founding CEO of Electronic Arts, Trip Hawkins, among others. It's dedicated to developing AAA quality video games that leverage the capabilities of blockchain and crypto to provide more rewarding and engaging experiences to gamers through GFAL's games. To say some names that Activision Blizzard and Electronic Arts is a part of, a lot of Star Wars games are made with Electronic Arts. You also have a lot of Call of Duty games, basically all the Call of Duty games made with Activision Blizzard. So yeah, they don't have a bunch of wannabes that are trying to push this token. No. They have some nice guys at the helm. All right, the studio behind Candy Crush, that's Activision Blizzard, and Electronic Arts is a video game development studio that leverages, are now basically saying the things I already stated. So I'm excited. I'm looking now because I'm making sure that I don't go above my 8-minute timer. But I'm excited for GFAL. I bought some GFAL today, and I'm looking to buy more. I'm just making sure that I buy at the most proper price points. But when we go over, this is the last point of the video, and then I'll let you all go. I thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Please share this video with your friends, all right? And share this video with people that are not just your friends, but people that you want to get into crypto. Because we will not only be talking about this cryptocurrency, we'll be talking about many more cryptocurrencies in the near future. This is a look at the GFAL marketplace. As you see, they also can do discounts on their platform as well, because these elemental crystals are the ways to actually make moves within the game and earn some rewards while playing the game as well. So I don't have no other words to say except I love the move. I love GFAL, and I do think that they have a lot of potential and will probably make a lot of people a lot of money. Say the casual quote. They're probably going to make you a lot of money. A lot of people a lot of money. So let's see. A lot of people are comparing GFAL to Gala. And also keep in mind that GFAL is on the BNB smart chain. Let's look at Gala though. Gala, I believe, is at a market cap of, and I spelled it wrong, is at a market cap of about 700 million. If I'm correct, y'all gonna have to give me a high five. It was higher. It's $900 million in market cap. So if we can see that type of return in small terms with Gala, and Gala's in a bear market, so is GFAL in a bear market as far as the whole crypto industry is concerned, I love to see the future. I love to see the future as an investor. But thank you guys all for watching. Thank you for staying tuned for the entire video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you know when I upload. Love you all, and stay safe out there. God bless.